Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Let's draw this. Something that looks like it's got a little roundness and shiny, like a lights on it. Really pretty easy. Let's take a square, holding down the control button so it's perfect. Let's rotate it 45 degrees. Let's take the shape tool, holding down the control button, and do this right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and convert that to a curve. And you can see we have some extra nodes that we really don't need. So let's see what happens when we delete them. We get a skinnier unit. That's what I kind of wanted. Now, if I'm going to take it, I can actually make it skinnier. I'm going to hit P, which really doesn't matter. Put it in the center of the page. Let's zoom in here. I am going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then just by hand, I'm just going to move it up just a little bit, like to there. And then I'm going to Control D again. That's the part I want right there. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool that's set on a turquoise, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to set my nudge factor something higher, like 2 inches. And I'm going to nudge that out of the way twice. And I'm going to left click, right click. I don't want the full extent of it, so I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. And I'm going to contour 0.1 in the inside. Too large. So let's go 0.05. See what happens. That's pretty good. Now, I normally would have to break that apart, but if I fill in the contour, I don't have to deal with it. And that's about what I want. It's even maybe going to be better than the first one. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm going to delete the second one I made and the first one I made. And I'm going to turn this red. Now I'm going to turn this one white. And I'm going to nudge it over to my circle or my teardrop. And it's almost about where I want it. I've got it selected, so now I'm going to go ahead and close that Docker. I'm going to go to Effects and Blur and Gaussian blur it. Not that heavy, because it'll actually disappear. But then when I get it kind of where I want it, I can set my nudge factor on something lower like 0.01. And I can really kind of sit back and look at it. And I can nudge it a little more over and a little more down, trying to make it kind of look like a sharp or an edge, a rounded piece of plastic that has light on it. And then if we take the black box effect, it really helps it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.